Never boil eggs directly in a pot of water again. Hello everyone. Today, I'll share with you a 5-star restaurant-style egg boiling tip. Right at home. Softer eggs, easier to peel, shells that almost peel off on their own, natural flavor, and completely cost-effective. Yolk will cook perfectly without drying out, and most importantly, the eggs will have an amazing flavor. Watch until the end of the video, and you'll never want to go back to the old way of boiling eggs. First, wash the eggs thoroughly. Sometimes, when you buy eggs from the market, they still have chicken droppings, feathers, dirt, and may even carry bacteria such as E. coli or salmonella, which can enter the body through digestion and cause stomach pain that is harmful to your health. Therefore, you should not skip this step. Place the eggs in a large bowl or container. Add about 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Then pour in water until the eggs are completely submerged. Stir gently to dissolve the salt and baking soda. Then soak the eggs for about 5 minutes. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. After soaking, use a clean kitchen towel to gently rub the surface of each egg to remove any remaining stains and marks. Then rinse the eggs again under clean water and place them on a rack to drain. When a hen lays an egg, the egg must pass through the same exit as waste. When a hen lays an egg, it passes through a common passage at the end of the body, which is also where waste is expelled. Therefore, the eggshell surface often becomes contaminated with impurities immediately after being laid. This is why eggshells are often contaminated with feces, feathers, and harmful microorganisms such as E. coli and salmonella. Baking soda loosens dirt, while salt acts as a disinfectant. As a result, eggs are washed more thoroughly, eliminating any unpleasant odors from dirt when boiled, and we can be more confident about food safety. Many people often store eggs in the refrigerator, but if they are boiled immediately, the sudden change in temperature can cause the eggs to crack and the whites to stick to the shell. Sudden temperature changes can cause eggs to crack and stick to the shell. Simply soak the eggs in clean water for about 10 minutes before boiling. This stabilizes the temperature, minimizes cracking, and makes peeling much easier. After boiling, the eggs crack less and are much easier to peel. Eggs are one of the most nutritious foods. They contain many vitamins, minerals, protein, and choline, which are good for the brain and health. Everyone can eat eggs, from young children to the elderly. Almost anyone can eat eggs easily. Once the eggs have been cleaned, the shells become brighter and clearer, clean and safe to use. Add about 1 liter of water to the pot. Next, add a little salt and stir until the salt dissolves completely. Salt not only helps the water boil more steadily, but also helps the eggs cook evenly and taste better. Now, place a steamer basket or steaming pot on top of the pot of water. Then, arrange the eggs in the basket. Usually, we boil eggs directly in water. When the water boils vigorously, the eggs are prone to cracking, and the whites or yolks may spill out, reducing the flavor and being very wasteful. Additionally, some eggs are very difficult to peel and look unappealing. To overcome this, place a small plate in the center of the steamer, add a little vinegar and salt to the bowl, and stir to dissolve the vinegar and salt to soften the eggshells, making them easier to peel. Eggshells are mainly composed of calcium carbonate. When exposed to acetic acid in vinegar, part of the shell surface is slightly softened, and the shell will come off immediately with just a light tap. The combination of vinegar and salt also helps the eggs become softer and more fragrant after cooking. A small amount of salt also adds electrolytes that are good for your health. Place the pot on the stove, turn the heat to high until the water begins to boil and steam rises. When steaming, the eggs do not touch the water directly, but are slowly cooked by the hot steam. Unlike traditional boiling, this method prevents the eggs from bumping and cracking during cooking. Once the water is boiling, reduce the heat to medium and continue steaming for about 12 minutes. If you like soft-boiled eggs, steam for about 6 minutes. If you like hard-boiled eggs, steam for about 11 to 12 minutes. Overcooking will make the eggs dry, hard to digest, and reduce their flavor. 11 to 12 minutes is the ideal time. When the time is up, open the lid, and the eggs will smell delicious and not fishy. But if you peel them immediately, they will be too hot and difficult to handle. However, do not eat the eggs immediately while they are still too hot, and do not peel them right away in the next step. We will perform an additional small step to make peeling the eggs super easy and achieve a smooth surface like those from a 5-star restaurant. Now, prepare a basin of cold water. As soon as the eggs are hot, place them in the cold water. The cold water will help cool the eggs very quickly and make them easier to peel. When you place hot eggs in cold water, the protein inside contracts slightly, creating a small gap between the white and the shell. This makes the shell easier to peel off. Now, let's peel the eggs. Use the back of a knife or spoon to gently tap a crack around the egg. Peel off a small section of the shell, then continue to gently separate the rest. Now let's see. Oh, the shell comes off very easily and quickly, with almost no egg white sticking to the shell. The peeled egg looks beautiful. The egg white is intact, soft, smooth, and slightly elastic. The peeled egg looks beautiful. The egg white is intact, soft, smooth, and slightly elastic. You can do the same by gently tapping and peeling along the length of the egg. The shell will peel off very gently. In addition, you should not eat eggs at the same time as too many soybeans, because this combination can reduce the ability to absorb nutrients from both foods. Now, let's cut the eggs open to see the yolks inside. You can see that the yolks are a beautiful yellow color, evenly cooked, not darkened, and not dry. Whether it's a light breakfast or a simple afternoon tea, a plate of boiled eggs like this is very satisfying and enjoyable. Breakfast with eggs is quick, convenient, and very nutritious. If you want to boil eggs that are delicious, tender, and easy to peel like this, try the method I just shared. You won't be disappointed. It's great to connect with people from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Next, instead of simply eating the boiled eggs with salt, we will use them to make a simple egg salad, perfect for breakfast or a light meal. Ingredients include 3 to 4 hard-boiled eggs, 1 to 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise or unsweetened yogurt to reduce fat, a little Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, finely chopped onion or spring onion, 1 finely diced tomato, a few drops of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, along with toasted bread and lettuce to serve on the side. Start by peeling the cooled eggs, then cut them into bite-sized pieces. Place them all in a large bowl. You will need another bowl to make the sauce by mixing the mayonnaise with the Dijon mustard, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Stir well until the sauce is smooth and blended. If you use unsweetened yogurt, the flavor will be lighter, which is perfect for those who like healthy food. Next, sprinkle finely chopped onion or spring onion, tomato and cucumber into the bowl of eggs. Pour the prepared sauce over the eggs and mix gently to prevent the eggs from breaking. Mix slowly until all the egg pieces are coated with the sauce, ensuring it is evenly distributed. When the sauce has coated each piece evenly, the flavor of the salad will be more harmonious. You should taste a little and add a pinch of salt, pepper, or a few drops of lemon juice if you want to adjust the flavor to suit your taste. When enjoying this dish, simply spread a layer of egg salad onto crispy toasted bread. Add a few lettuce leaves and rock it to enhance the freshness. The finished dish, simple, quick, visually appealing, and packed with energy for a new day. And just a few minutes. From ordinary boiled eggs, you can have a quick, beautiful breakfast that is rich in protein and energy for a new day. This egg salad is not only good for your health thanks to its simple, protein-rich ingredients, but it also saves you time in the morning, especially suitable for a busy lifestyle. The best part is that you can prepare everything right in your own kitchen without needing complicated tools or putting in much effort, yet still creating a delicious and easy-to-enjoy dish. You see, with just a little change in how you boil them, eggs become cleaner, easier to peel, and turn into a delicious, visually appealing dish. If you have any egg boiling tips or favorite egg dishes, please share them in the comments below. I'd love to learn more from you. If you like this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your family and friends, and subscribe to the Everyday Tricks channel so you don't miss out on the next tips. Thank you for watching until the end of the video. See you in the next video.